Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding a DAX function called values. It is a table function, so we can see in detail what is it. So when you go to the definition, what it tells is when the input parameter is a table name, it returns the rows from the specified tables. Duplicated rows are preserved. That means, okay, suppose if this is the original table and we are creating a new table, just values of this table name, you will almost get a duplicated value of that. So all the rows and columns will be same and the entire table will be duplicate. But at the same time, you can give the input parameter as a column name also. So what does it, when the input parameter is a column name, it returns a one column table that contains the distinct values from the specified column. Duplicate values are removed. So just in case of in this table, you're taking only the product name and you're giving the product values of product name and you won't get the entire list of the entire rows, whatever is there in the original table. But instead of that, all the duplicates value will be removed and only the unique values will be taken and that will be shown as in one column table. So that is what we can see here. So all the values are unique, all the duplicates has been taken off. So this is a difference between the values table and the values column name. So we will see an example of it. We are having a table here. There is a fact table that says it contains everything. So we will go to the table view. So it contains everything and we have all the product names are duplicated and it contains more than 99 rows. So we are going to create a values table now. So just go for new table and we will name it as sales values equals to, just type values and the table name sales, and we will see how the result comes. So when you see the result, it is almost similar to that previous table. So you can see the entire sales value is also similar to the values table also. So you can try and see that. So next what we are going to do is we will see an example of values column name. So we will take this column product name and we will check how it works. So we will click the new table and we will create here product name, product table, product values equals to values, and instead of giving the table name, we are going to give the product name. Product name is here. So table name with the column name we are going to give, and see the result. All the product name has been taken and now it created a one column table, and see in the product name column nothing has been duplicated, only the unique values has been taken. So we can use these values in lots of examples, especially rankx values, top 10 and all those other DAX functions. So you need to know the basic understanding of values function. So hope this video will be useful for you. Have a nice day.